guys, and welcome to solo vlog number 1. I am Scarlet Canary and I'm going to be watching Venom with my brother and his girlfriend right now, and yeah, solo vlogs are not going to be common, I don't think, and cinema view. I'll continue this when we get into the cinema. So we are in the screening and about to start the film. It's currently doing the ads, and I will see you later. So, just got out of seeing Venom. Bloody good film. 10 out of 10 stars. And people, I'm seeing it with my brother and his girlfriend, they are looking at me weirdly because, let's see, I am doing a vlog alone without any of the other members of the beginnings, and I would definitely recommend you watch it. If you do, definitely wait for the post-credit scene, as it is bloody good. And yeah, this will be on my channel as well, so yeah, please subscribe. I mean, I have no subscribers, I have one at the moment, so this is at the time of recording, so maybe when you're watching this I might have more. But don't forget, subscribe to Scarlet Canary Squad and The Beginnings, and anyone else in The Beginnings' channel gets mentioned in the videos. Thank you. And we just watched Venom.